This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can search across several sheets in your workbook in Google Sheets. Here I have a workbook that I used in previous videos, and let's suppose I want to search for a word in the document. If you simply press Control or Command F and then search for that word, which in this case will be rabbit, it will only show you the word in the sheet that you are currently using. If you want to search across sheets, what you will need to do is in this search bar over here, click the three dots, which will open up the Find and Replace box, which you can also locate when you click Edit and then Find and Replace. Here is where you will have the option of searching all sheets or just this specific sheet or a specific range. So once you select all sheets, then select Find, you will then be able to locate that word in all of your sheets. So this video shows you how to search for words across all of your sheets within a worksheet in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.